Hello there. In this video, I'm going to be going over the steps for customizing and programming your dragon egg lamp. This is a continuation of the assembly video, so please go watch that before following along. First off, we're going to need to install some software, specifically the Arduino IDE. An IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, is a way for you to write code and communicate with various controllers and circuit boards. We're going to go to this site here. The link will be in the description. It's just arduino.cc over to the software page. Just select the version of your computer's operating system. I'm on Mac, so I'm going to do that. The software is free, it's open source, and a great learning tool if you want to dive into some more complex programming. We can also go ahead and plug in the provided USB cable to your Dragon Egg and the other end into your computer. When the download finishes, just follow the installation instructions, or in my case, just launch the application. So we're going to get this empty file here, but that doesn't matter right now. What we want to do is go up to Tools under Manage Libraries, and we're going to download a NeoPixel library, which is what will tell the lights in your Dragon lamp how to behave. We're going to type in NeoPixel. And you're going to look for this one here, Adafruit NeoPixel by Adafruit. I already have it installed, but just press that button there to install it. The last thing we're going to download is some of our pre-written behaviors. The link for these will also be in the description. So up here, you're going to click Clone or Download and download zip file. We're going to open it up, navigate to the code folder, and you'll see a list of folders here, each one corresponding to a different behavior that we've pre-written. For this example, I'll open up Pulse, and then open the INO file with the Arduino IDE that we just installed earlier. Now, this may seem like a big wall of code, but worry not. All we need to look for is this line here, right underneath Set Pixel Color. Some of the behaviors have room for customization. For example, we can change the color of the light by messing with these numbers. This works by mixing red, green, and blue light, and we can put anywhere from 0 to 255 for each of these, 0 being off and 255 being full brightness. We've included a color chart with some starter colors, but feel free to experiment and mix your own colors. Now make sure your Dragon Egg is plugged in. We're going to go up to Tools again, make sure the board is set as Uno. The port should be automatically chosen, but if not, try one of these available options. It's different depending on your computer, so you might have to try a couple. But then finally, here we are. Press the big arrow button and upload the code to your Dragon Egg, and we're done. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy your newly programmed Dragon Egg lamp.